All right, we are going to take our page in our notebook, and I'm going to go ahead and divide it in half to make sure that I know that there are going to be two sides. What I'm looking at right now are my two sides in the Civil War. And so you guys probably remember it best, and I got my blue and my gray. You'll see I'm going to use blue and gray. You don't have to, but I like to. I got my North versus my South. And I bet that's how, when you think of the Civil War, you think of the North versus the South. The northern factories versus the southern farms. You might also recognize them as the United States versus the Confederate States. We're doing this to make sure that you recognize all the different names that they could use in the two sides of the Civil War. Besides United States, I bet you guys remember the abbreviation USA versus the CSA. There we go. All right, there's lots and lots of different ways they can talk about the two sides. You could also call them the Union versus the Confederacy. And I bet you think, oh, we got to be done right there. No. Nope. They can still use more names. Sometimes they like to call those Northerners the Yankees. I bet you guys all know those Yankee baseball team, the Yankees versus the Rebels, because they are rebelling against the country. And then finally, I'm finally on the last one. You'll notice I like to do my colors because I have the boys in blue versus the boys in gray. And I know some of us, we like to spell gray, Gray. Both of them are correct. So here we go. North versus South, United States versus Confederate States, USA versus CSA, Union versus Confederacy, Yankee versus Rebels, blue versus gray.